When you play the bell, normally you start hard and you hard finish, same like Damaru. And the bell finish start first, but the Damaru end first. The bell start first, the Damaru end first. Let me explain. The bell start first, the Damaru then starts. Then when you want to end it, the Damaru end first and the bell end last. And he's like, oh no. Not the only got car, got motorbike to start. When I said that, Joe was like, okay, don't move that, move with this, like that, then this one, and then this start first, that second, which one now? It will be on the blog, don't worry, you go home and cheat. You say, hey, I remember what you told me. Well, I remember, watch. And the bell is never held like this, never held like that. And you don't hold the bell like this, unless you're a Yamataka practitioner, you know, which none of us are. You never hold. Why? This one show a lot of pride, like I'm so high. You know. No, the bell hold like this, very gentle. This one just stick out a little bit, you know, just a little bit, very gentle. This is for Gilupa way. Gilupa gentle. So we hold like this when we grab the bell, huh? This is how you grab the bell. Maybe we can film closer. Okay. This is how you hold the bell, a small bell. So you will manipulate it with this finger, index. You will hold it with your thumb. And the two other fingers will help you to keep it up. And your last finger will stop it. Watch. When you start the bell, you can use the whole wrist. When you start the bell, this bell is too small. Can I use yours? This one much better, yes. When you start the bell, everybody, when you start the bell, hard. Then when you're ringing it, gently moving it, gently. Not like this, no. Like this, very gentle. And then you stop.